the subscribe button for more videos.
Wanna rock the Hollywood hair braided crown and side swept style? Here's how. First, unbox your refill pack. You'll find 6 extensions, 1 hairband, 1 marker, 1 hair clip, 2 elastics, and 2 stickers. Next, design and transform your extensions. Check out the Hollywood hair how-to video linked below for step-by-step details on how to do that. To make a beautiful braided crown, pick 3 extensions you think look cool together. Grab the hairband and the 2 stickers and 2 elastics and 1 clip. It's braiding time. Attach your 3 extensions to the hair clip by sliding the top loop of 2 extensions on the front part of the clip and the top loop of the last extension on the back part of the clip. Attach the clip to something sturdy like your backpack strap. Now, braid the extensions. If you know how to braid, keep watching. If you don't, ask someone who does to help. When you're done braiding, tightly wrap 1 sticker around the top of the braid and tightly wrap 1 around the bottom. Then use scissors to snip the braid right above the sticker and right below the bottom sticker. So pretty! Attach your braid to the hairband using these little pegs, like this. Secure the braid at each end with the elastics. And just like that, your gorgeous braided crown is ready to wear. Serving that side swept look is just as easy. Grab 2 extensions that look awesome together and trim off the bottom edge of both. Then, use the top loop to slide both extensions into the front part of a hair clip. Sweep back one side of your hair and clip. So cute!
Watch another video below.